Hi, I'm a consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make peppermint coffee at home. Peppermint coffee is a great refreshing beverage, especially during the holidays or the winter time when it's cold outside and you want to have something that's warm and makes you feel like you're in the holiday season. Now, peppermint coffee actually may sound a little intimidating or like you have to go out and buy some expensive flavored coffee in the store, but actually you can make it at home for almost nothing. And another benefit of making peppermint coffee is it doesn't add any calories to your cup of coffee unless you add sugar and milk to it. But the easiest way to make peppermint coffee at home is using two basic ingredients that you can find at any grocery store. The first is peppermint tea. Now, if you look on the back of this tea, you can see that the only ingredient here is peppermint leaves. So in essence, you're getting the closest thing to peppermint that you can get. The other thing is you can buy some of these small, powerful peppermint mints, and you can add those to your coffee. Now, all you need to do is brew up a cup of coffee. Today, I'm using a French press, but you could use a traditional drip coffee pot in your home. Brew up the coffee as normal, and then if you're going to be using the tea bag, all you're going to do is take the tea bag out of its wrapper, and you're going to place the tea bag into the cup. You're going to pour your coffee over the tea bag, let the tea bag steep for about 3 minutes, which means just let it sit in there. Then remove the tea bag, squeeze it out, and throw it away in the trash. And then you just prepare your cup of coffee the way you normally would. If you want to add cream and sugar to it, that's perfectly fine. The other way is to take some of these powerful peppermint mints, and you can add 1 or 2. I usually add 2 because I like pretty intense flavors in my coffee. You just take those and you drop them in the bottom of your cup. You pour the coffee over that. You stir it around to make sure that it's all blended up in there together. Then you add your cream and sugar if you prefer, and you drink it that way. Another creative way, if you are creating peppermint coffee around the holidays, is just to simply take a candy cane, stick it in your coffee cup, pour the coffee over it, and you can allow your guests or yourself to stir using your candy cane, and what you're doing is you're adding the sugar and the peppermint flavor at the same time. Again, you just add milk and you serve it as normal. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make peppermint coffee.